Hello, my name is Dana Febran Mata. My NPM is 2023125000071. I want to explain about roller coaster. Its roller coaster is a ride in the form of a train that is driven at high speed on a special ride track that usually has different heights and is supported by a steady steel frame. This ride relies on creativity to move after reaching the first peak. With the help of a chain drive motor, without a drive engine along the track, the roller coaster provides an adrenaline sensation with challenging up and down track and high speeds, so they are often a favorite ride in amusement parks. Historically, roller coaster originated from ice skates in Russia in the 17th century and developed into modern rides with various types such as it sit down, stand up, inverted, and others. Roller coasters are also known in Russian mountain in Europe because of their origins. I want to explain there is some of the most thrilling roller coaster in the world include and the number one there is a Chakabisa in Japan with a 102 degree drop in the middle of the ride, speeds of up to 150 and views of Mountain Fuji. And the second there is a Sekira in Florida which has floors seats so passengers like Danger with a degree drop point and a speed of wildfire in Sweden which use a classic wooden track with forest view and speeds. Canada Wonderland which offers the thrill of going through an underground tunnel with a degree track. Roller coaster track design is very complex and must take into account the lives of physics to keep the train safely on the track, especially at the points such as hilltops and vertical loops. Physics simulation are used to ensure the safe and smooth ride of the roller coaster. Apart from being entertainment, roller coaster also simulate facing uncertainty and challenge in life. In a sense, a roller coaster is a combination of a technology, physics, and design that creates an exciting and thrilling experience for its passengers. Roller coaster include the history, principle of basic, and evolution of these rides as popular entertainment. I want to explain. Roller coaster first originated from Iceland in Russia in the 18th century, which later evolved into railways in Europe and America. In America, the first modern roller coaster was known as Switchback Railway, which was opened in Kenai, Iceland, in by Lamarcus Edna Thompson, principle of physics. Roller coaster work on the principle of potential and kinetic energy. At the top of the track, potential energy is a maximum, which then turn into kinetic energy as it descends. Gravity, centripetal force, and centrifugal force also play a role in providing thrills and keeping the train on the track. In addition, the law of composition of energy explain how energy changed from during the roller coaster journey, evolution, and popularity. From simple rides in Russia, roller coaster involved in so complex attraction with various track design and modern technology in the parks such as Disneyland. Roller coasters are now iconic jump parks. They attract visitors with the adrenaline challenge and the principle of roller coaster basic. And the number one there is a potential energy or AP increase as the roller coaster rise to the highest point of the track due to its high position at the peak position. Potential energy is a maximal and kinetic energy is a minimal. And the second there is a as the roller coaster change, the potential energy turns into kinetic energy which makes the speed increase. The maximum speed is reached as the lowest point of the track or as the kinetic energy is a maximum. And the three there is the roller coaster accelerated as the this chain and the declared as a chain corresponding to the change in energy and the downward pulling force of gravity. And the four centrifugal force as when the roller coaster goes around and bend or loop, pulling the train to the center of the track so that it stay on the track and doesn't break loose. And five, the law of conservation of magical energy applies, where the total energy potential plus kinetic remains constant except for the energy loss due to friction between the train and the track with converts some of the energy to heat. And the last I want to expand about the evolution of roller coaster. The evolution of roller coaster began with a slight inertia in the 50 to 70 centuries known as the Russian mountain and become to the initial concept a roller coaster as ice melt easily in the warmer climates the trains reliefs in which will train the slide on wooden track, creating the area from the modern roller coaster. And the first record roller coaster with rail and train was the rules a belief in the Paris, which rather inspired the development of more elaborate track with twice and turn in the United States. The first roller coaster called Manipochang Switchback Railway was built on a farmer Kulmaya lot in Peninsuline, which later became a popular tourist attraction. In the late 19th century, roller coasters began to make their way into the theme park industry, most notably at Coney Island, New York, with Lamarcus Thompson Switchback Railway, which became highly successful and sparked the construction of hundreds of coasters across the U.S. despite engaging during the World War and three involved with tubular tree technology that allow for more complex track designs, develops, and innovation. Since then, roller coasters have continued to evolve into faster, higher, and more challenging rides with numerous design innovation and modern safety systems that have made them an icon of the theme park around the world.